Oh, hi. How are you? Just finishing up a little cereal here. Give me a few seconds. Finish this up, and we'll open up these boxes. We'll see which ones we get. Hey, uh, hey, don't tell General Mills this, but I still think that Golden Grams is my favorite. Sorry, it's not my favorite. But hey, here's what we found last time. So let's just do a quick update. We found these in the last batch of boxes, and right now I'm hitting the point where I don't want to put any more money into buying boxes to get duplicates, because that's likely going to happen, where I might have to trade or purchase on eBay the ones that I'm missing. So the one that I'm looking for is Sonny the Mummy and the Frankenberry one. So if after these 4 boxes, if I don't find those, I will look to trade or buy the other 2, because it ends up being cost prohibitive to keep getting duplicates, dupes, as I like to call them. But let's go. Let's see what we get. Let me get my knife out, and let's go with box number 1. Okay, are you ready? Let's do this. All right, so we're looking for Sonny the Mummy or Frankenberry. Let's hope we get these 2, and then I can be done with the series. Are you ready? Let's go. Nope, we got the Buzz the Bee, or Buzz the Bat. So we got an extra one of those. Let's put this over here, and I'll turn this around so you can see that. Let's go with box number 2. Doesn't seem as exciting this time. But still, let's see. Let's see what we get. Okay, you ready? Sonny the Mummy or Frankenberry? Let's go. Oh, another Boo Berry. Nice. So remember, the Boo Berries are 1 in 25. So now we have 2 of those over here. All right, box number 3. Are you ready? Come on. Let's see if I can see it right here. Oh, it's, what is it? It's Cinemoji the Pumpkin. So I got 3 of those. All right, last box. Let's hope we get one. The last 2 that I need. I'm not gonna get out of 1 box, but you can hear Moxie. He's probably upset that he's not in here doing it. Okay, last box. Ready? Let's go. And we got Trix, the what do they call him? The superhero. Trix the superhero. I don't know why I can't remember these. It's easier to remember them when they're just regular ones. Well, all right. So now I gotta look at trading for the Mummy or the Frankenberry. But not bad overall. I'm pretty excited. Okay, that's it for today. I just want to do a quick update on these boxes, get these out of the way. Everybody's been asking me, that's been coming through the house. when are you gonna open those up? When are you gonna open those up? And I said, I'm gonna open them up this weekend, so, and then I'll post the video. So, all right, guys, thanks a lot. See ya. And that's everything that I've gotten so far.